Activating eSIM on Android is a straightforward process that allows you to access cellular networks without a physical SIM card. To start, ensure your Android device supports eSIM and that your carrier offers eSIM services. First, go to your device settings and select the Connections or Mobile Network option. Look for the Advanced or SIM Card Manager section and tap on it. In this section, you will see the option to add a new SIM or eSIM. Tap on Add eSIM and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to scan a QR code provided by your carrier or enter the activation code manually. If you are using a QR code, open the camera app and scan the code. Your device will automatically detect the eSIM details and prompt you to confirm. If you are entering the activation code manually, type it in carefully and ensure it is correct. Once you have entered the code, your device will verify it with your carrier and activate the eSIM. After activation, your device will detect the eSIM and you can start using it to make calls, send texts, and access data services. You can manage your eSIM settings in the SIM Card Manager section, including switching between physical SIM cards and eSIMs. It is essential to note that not all devices support eSIM, so check your device compatibility before attempting to activate it. Additionally, some carriers may have specific requirements or restrictions for eSIM activation, so it is best to contact them directly if you encounter any issues. By following these steps, you can easily activate eSIM on your Android device and enjoy the convenience of a digital SIM card. Remember to always follow best practices for managing your eSIM settings and maintaining network security.